You are going out and you're meeting PR, you're going to press events, you're filming one day, you're having a photo shoot the next day, you're doing your own photo shoot the next day and creating content.
Blogging is very important in the industry at the moment because you can be the first as a journalist to promote new articles and new products, new experiences from your own perspective.
Having a blog can create opportunities that you didn't even know existed. I'd only been writing my blog for 3 months and the editor of the Daily Mail got in touch because she'd seen one of my blog posts. Then I started working for them for 2 years and I just wouldn't have had that opportunity if I hadn't started blogging.
I've worked with Mercedes, I've worked with Lamborghini, Hugo Boss, Armani Exchange, we have Harrods, the Selfridges. The list kind of goes on. My first pinch me moment was probably during Fashion Week. I was captured during Shoot Style, and essentially there was a magazine from Hong Kong that flew all the way to my house, shot a 7-page editorial in the magazine, which I never knew was possible.
I think relationships are really key in this industry, both having a relationship with PR because they are your go-to to reach brands, but also a relationship, for example, with your followers. This LCS course will definitely teach you how you can make money in this career on all the different social platforms.
You will definitely get the skills to tailor your content and create your own bespoke imagery. I started from nothing, so I didn't know about website design, blogging, SEO, all of the Google Analytics. It would have definitely made it easier having a course like LCS.
You are going to have the opportunity to be within the heart of the whole industry. You're going to meet lots of influencers, they're going to do masterclasses, and you will feel really immersed in the whole world of social media. When I wake up in the morning, I turn off my alarm on my phone and then quickly click on Instagram and all the social media platforms.